Welcome. This is how to sync Zoom with Outlook. So guys, first thing is just simply go to zoom.us/download. And first thing you must download is the Zoom plugin for Microsoft Outlook. So just simply select download Zoom plugin for Outlook and it will be downloaded as you can see over here. Now once it is done, click on the folder and double click on the setup. And now click on next. And from here, click on next, next, and click on yes. And after that, just simply do the installation. And once the installation is complete, you can just simply go ahead and open up your Outlook over here. And when you go to your Outlook, you should be able to have an option over here. As you can see guys at the top, schedule a meeting and start instant meeting. So as you can see, when I click on that, we need to install the Zoom client. Click on OK. Now from here, as you can see, the Zoom will open up. And of course, you have to sign in into your account in order for you to proceed with this. And there you go. You should be able to have a new feature on your Outlook that you can start an instant meeting right away with the Zoom integration that you have. I hope this video helped you understand more and thanks for watching guys. See ya!